It suspends all constitutional rights. I mean, what details do you want? It suspends, anyone can be picked up. And what we discussed today was quite interesting. Delegated officer of the armed forces can decide. There's no need for a witness, there's no need for prosecution, there's no need for judgment. There are the judges and the witnesses and the executioners.
By promulgating the Actions in Aid of Civil Power Ordinance, the authorities in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa have faced a backlash. The powers of the armed forces, which were once imposed in former FATA and PATA, have now been slapped upon the whole province. Now it's being challenged in court.
What we thought was that a martial law had been imposed in Pakhtunkhwa, and we challenged that martial law. Okay? And all the fundamental rights confirmed in the constitution were suspended, basically, for an entire province. Initially, it was just FATA and PATA, but post constitutional amendment, 25th constitutional amendment. 26th, okay. Post that amendment, where FATA was merged into Pakhtunkhwa, we found that now the entire province was under siege, and it has been, we questioned frontier crimes regulation in FATA, and now we have a situation in the entire province. So that is why we came to the Supreme Court.
Two earlier regulations promulgated in 2011 for tribal areas seem to reflect in this ordinance. During military operations in different regions, internment centers were set up and legal cover was given to them.
We want an end, not only an end to the internment centers, but also an investigation into what has happened in these centers during the last 8 years, ever since they were set up in 2011.
The ordinance violates fundamental rights in more than one way. Earlier, the Peshawar High Court had scrapped the ordinance, calling it unconstitutional. But days later, the decision was suspended by the Supreme Court.
We are thinking about bringing a new law. The ordinance issued by the province, it has already expired.
Meanwhile, there are concerns for the people who have been picked up, even though the number is not yet known.
They have submitted a list in a sealed envelope to the Supreme Court today, and we don't have the exact details of that, but according to our information, the number of the internees in that internment centers will be in thousands.
Now that the intelligence agencies summoned by the court have submitted a list of those detained under action in aid of civil power, there is hope they will be identified. For voicepk.net.